Now it is time for us to understand the types of functions. Broadly speaking, there are two types of functions. One is a built-in function. The second one is the user-defined function. Built-in function, as the name indicates, the programming language itself has certain functions that have been defined internally or inbuilt, which is available for any programmer to use. Like for example, the popular one that we use, print, is an example of a function. Any parameter that you pass in as an input, you're going to print that. So there is a code written for print function which is helping you to print that parameter that has been passed across. So that's a simple inbuilt function. To give you some more examples, minimum, maximum, average, all these are some of the examples of built-in functions. Just like how you do it in Excel sheet. In Excel, the moment you put equal to in a cell, you see a set of functions that are available for you. Those are inbuilt functions that are available in Excel. Likewise, you have all these functions available in Python also. As I told you, minimum, maximum, average, there are so many functions that are available which you can reuse. But what is important for you is you need to understand the syntax. You need to know what is the parameter that you need to send as an input and what will be the output that you are going to get. Of course, you need not memorize that. Don't be worried about it. Over a period of time, with experience, you will be able to understand what are those functions, what are those inputs, and what is the output that you are going to get from those functions. But it is important for you to understand that. That is very clear. So this is built-in function. Now let's understand the second type of functions, that is user-defined functions. The simplest example for user-defined function is the one that I told you in the last topic, Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. You may not find this as a built-in function in Python because not everyone uses this, isn't it? But if it is needed for me, I'll create a function, what I call it as user-defined function, where I will define the programming logic for this particular conversion, Celsius to Fahrenheit, within a function. Where I will define, like this is the name of the function, this is the input parameter, and this is the output that you may get by passing these parameters. So this is called user-defined function. You can create functions for different purposes, like as simple as Celsius to Fahrenheit, kilometer to miles, any kind of conversions, or as complex as book a train ticket, book a flight ticket, send these details as input, write a huge programming logic whereby every time you want to book a ticket, you can send these details like name, age, preferences and everything, and accordingly the ticket is booked and automatically the seat number and everything is shared across. So functions can vary from simple to the complex one depending on the kind of problem that you are trying to solve.